Okay, so here it is operating, and up here I'll put it on swing mode. Now swing mode should, can't really see it, there's vents in here that should either go up or down, or these ones side to side. Now it does absolutely nothing when you put it in swing mode, absolutely nothing. You have to manually adjust it. There's one up here like that. When it's on swing mode that should go up, down, so I've read in the manual anyway, but you have to do that yourself. So that button and that option on the remote is absolutely useless because swing don't work. So other than that, very sleek looking. The back of it, there's a tank. It's on at the moment. Right, that's the safety feature. Unlock that, you get 2 ice packs that you put in with the water in the tank, but to be honest with you, it don't seem to make any difference.
Nothing's coming out. Don't know if you can see, but the water level is halfway. And if I pull it out, look at the water.